Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 3rd in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click your daily reward. Here you see I earn 102 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz, then click start quiz. Here you see February 3, a question in which 4 options. One option is the correct option. If you select the correct option, you will get 100 gems, and if you select incorrect option, you will only get 20 gems. Before this, I will provide you the correct answer. If you still not join XENEA Wallet, the joining link is in the video description. Go to the video description and join XENEA Wallet. Now I will provide you the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct option. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.